All right, day 3, episode 3, question 3 of the Marcom Minute. Today's question was submitted by Scott Lamort of Itasca Bank and Trust. Scott wants to know how to use the different social media during the sheltering period to maximum effect. And we're going to go through and answer each social media independently. So today we're going to start with Twitter. How do we use Twitter for maximum effect? I think as we get news releases, as there's high engagement periods on Twitter, think presidential debate, World Series, Super Bowl, industry chats. There's a ton of opportunities not only to share content as a link to drive traffic back to your site, but also take advantage of the conversation and share the information within your industry that you're most knowledgeable about. Again, with the focus of growing audience, but primarily driving traffic back to your website, get people on your site navigating around. Then we have to educate them on what you do, and we talk about in-market and progressing down a lead funnel. So Twitter is a great entree into that, and we encourage you to engage in the next conversation. Even right now, topics are trending, and during the sheltering period, you're probably, like the rest of America, engaging at a 70% higher rate in social media. So be well, stay healthy, and please submit your questions so they can be featured in a future episode of the Marcom Minute. Thank you.